So in this video, we're going to talk about question 72 from chapter 3, which asks us, how are quantum numbers like an address? How are they different from an address? So an address gives us very general to very specific information in order to locate a person. So we're given the state the person lives in, then we're given the city, more specific, then we're given the zip code, even more specific, and then we have the street number, even more specific, and then the name. So it allows us, it gives us all of the information we need in order to locate a person. Similarly, quantum numbers tell us where we're most likely to find an electron. So the most general information we're given is the principal quantum number n, which tells us the energy level. Then we're given the angular momentum quantum number L, which tells us the shape